Hey guys, it's Annie, Creative.Cliche. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Allure beauty box for April, and this is Carli Bybel's beauty box. So this is what it looks like. Alright, I'll open it up in here. Alright, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. So Carli's over here. It has a little beauty box in there. So you guys know I've been reviewing these boxes already, so they do come in these clear little pouches, which I love. So they're slightly different each time. I'm assuming the last two that I've gotten besides this one have all been the same case, but they're like different kind of colors for translucent. So this is, I think, the clearest one that I've gotten. I have this guy over here. It's like almost like a milky white. And then I have one that's like a black color, but it's like still translucent. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. Okay, so just gonna open this guy up. Okay, so here we have the organic tan infused cloth. It says phenomenal. I don't know if that's like, I don't know if that's what it's called. I don't know, but this is by Vita Liberata, and this is Advanced Organics. But these are great. I thought it was cool to see this because Carli actually does use these. She talks about Vita Liberata all the time, so it's really neat that they included it. I didn't think that they were going to because I heard that these are pretty expensive. Oops. But yeah. Okay, so next up. So I already got this before in a different one. So this is the Farewell Frizz by Briogeo. And this is Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Then we have a soft, precise shading brush. It's this gold guy here. If you can even see it in the packaging, it's like causing like a thingy. Alright, this is what it looks like. So I've gotten this before too. And then the Natasha Denona eyeshadow. It's this guy here. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's like perfect color for me. It's cute. Comes in this little case here. All right. Next we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Pure Hollywood. So I like how it comes in a little package here. And Carli used to talk about this one all the time. This is what it looks like. It's like a really nice like nudie mauve, but it's light. And we also have a Laura Geller eyeliner pencil. So this is gel waterproof eyeliner. And this is in the shade Purple Rain. Purple Rain. This guy here. I feel like this would be really cool in your waterline. Alright. Okay, so just right off the bat from opening up the box, I'm a little disappointed because their whole kind of rule for their beauty box is that you don't get repeats on products, and like I said, I did get both of these before. So this is the leave-in spray, and then this is like a buffer brush. Now I don't know if Carli picked these specifically or if they're starting that rule from this box on. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I was just getting sent the boxes before other people were getting them. I don't know. It could be a bunch of different things, but I just wanted to point that out. Let me know if you guys are subscribed to the beauty box and if you have gotten repeats, let me know. Okay, so I'm obviously not going to use this guy today because I don't have wet hair. And also this cloth, I think I'll do a separate video on this because I really want to do like a self-tanning video. I already wanted to do another self-tanning video because I found a really good method for my tanning now. So maybe I'll do like 2 separate videos just in case you wanna, I don't know, because the other one's really affordable, the one that I do every day. So yeah, maybe I'll do 2 separate. Okay, so I'll put those both to the side for now. And as you guys see, I already did my makeup, I did my eyebrows, my highlighter, because these products weren't included in here. So I'm gonna go right into eyeshadow, and this is the Natasha Denona eyeshadow, the one that I showed you. This is 124K Bronze-Age. Again, I'll show you. It's that guy. All right, then I'm gonna take that shader brush, just dip into that. Natasha Denona has really expensive eyeshadows. It's like honestly a little insane. Like this little guy here is $27. I just think that's like, holy shit. Alright, just putting this in my crease here. Alright, then I'm gonna go in with my finger and apply this to my eyelid. And this is such a beautiful shade. I like hate that I'm being so negative about it, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it looks exactly like the bronze color in Carli Bybel's palette. I don't know if it was in the second palette. I only bought the first one. I bought 2 of them. That was her like initial release. But it looks just like it. It was like the big pan of the bronze, the bottom layer, along the bottom part there. I think it looks exactly like that, and it's the same amount of pigment, really soft, but really nice. I don't know, I just wouldn't spend $27 on a little eyeshadow. Her like eyeshadow palettes are like in the hundreds. It's like crazy. Maybe I'm just like, I don't know. I'm not someone who really spends like a ton of money on eyeshadows anyway. I feel like I just cycle through the same colors, so maybe it's just because it's not something that I'm that interested in. Like I like different colored powders, like the bright color palettes, but I wouldn't spend like a crazy amount on them just for it. But let me know if you guys would. Let me know if that's like too outlandish for you. Alright, I'm just gonna go in with another color real quick just to deepen up my crease a little bit and add a little bit dimension. I don't know guys, I have to say like I'm a little disappointed with this box. And like granted, like I said, I got this for free, so this isn't, you know, I'm very grateful that I received it. It's just, and I would have bought it on my own anyway, because it's Carli. I bought like everything that Carli suggested. Like I have like her old telescopic. I actually bought that back when it was, what shade was it before? But it used to be, I bought the True Match powder that she used to recommend. She used to use this for contour all the time. Like I said, I bought both of her palettes. She talked about a Tarte eyeliner one time, and it was like, I went out and bought that the next day. I don't know. I just really didn't, I don't see her in this. Like obviously I know Pure Hollywood's like her color, but I don't know. I guess I would have expected almost like a bronzer or a highlighter, or have that Buxom mascara that she likes, that she wears now. I don't know. But also, I don't know how much free reign she actually got for these, or I know she has some makeup products coming out, so at least lip liner, so I don't know what else is involved in that, so I don't know. It could be a bunch of different things, I'm just saying. Alright, now I'm going in with that Laura Geller gel eyeliner, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. This is the Purple Rain shade. Just took off the end of it by accident. Oh, what is that? I don't think that's supposed to come off. Okay. Yeah, I don't know, like a highlighter would have been nice to put in here, because she normally does like this area here, and then she does her nose and like her inner corner highlight. I don't know, but also it might have been like too expensive, like having all the products that she would want in here. I totally get it. I don't know, but I feel like, I don't know. I can think of a lot of like less expensive products that like make me think of Carli, like maybe like the LA Girl concealer. I'm like just going like too crazy right now. Okay, so let me just do my eyeliner real quick and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I put on some lashes as well, and yeah, let's just get into the lip. So like I said, this is the Anastasia Pure Hollywood. This is their liquid lip. I don't typically ever do like lip liners, so I'm just gonna put this guy on. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. Don't judge me on this nose contour. I don't know why it came out like real like weird today. I don't know. But yeah, like I kind of already told you guys, I'm a little disappointed. I really expected, I don't know, I expected it to be more of Carli. I already watched her video, so I knew it was going to be in the box, so I don't know. I'm not like too surprised, but I'm just kind of like, I don't know. I just really like, it would have been cool though if they included like a pair of like wispy lashes, like instead of some of these other things, or like, I don't know, I think of like Dose of Color Stone or something. I mean, like, not exactly like those things, because like some of them can be expensive, not the wispy lashes, but you know what I mean. But yeah, I don't know, like a bronzer or, you know, some kind of highlighter, I just feel like would have been like more Carli. Like I said, I don't know how much free reign she had to choose the items, and also there are a lot of makeup companies who sign with other people. They could be signed to another box and they weren't able to work with her. I don't know, it could be anything, or, you know, I don't know, maybe Carli really picked these items, who knows? But yeah, everything worked out pretty well. I mean, I don't really have complaints on any of the actual products. I think everything was great. The hairspray, this conditioning spray, I have used, like I said, I had this in a previous box. It works out really well, it does condition your hair pretty well. And let's see, I still need to try the tanning cloth. So I think those were the two items that I didn't get to try, but, or no. I didn't try the, okay, whatever, you know. But yeah, I'll be making a separate video on that separately. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Will you be purchasing any of these items? And what did you think of the Carli inspiration behind this box? Do you think that it fit well? Do you think that it didn't? What products do you think should have been included? Or did you like everything? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.